Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Kraken glove in slap battles. First, you need to have the squid glove, which you can get after accumulating 750 slaps. Next, you'll need a friend who has the fish glove. Ensure they possess the deep sleeper badge to equip it. Once prepared, both of you should head to the normal arena, with you wearing your squid glove. Now for the crucial step to enter the Kraken's domain. Your friend, using their fish glove, needs to slap you off a cliff into the void within the normal arena. It's essential that you are wearing your squid glove when this happens. Each time you are knocked into the void this way, there's about a 40% chance you'll be teleported to a pirate ship, also known as the Abyss, where the Kraken awaits. Once you're in the Abyss, prepare for a challenging boss battle against the Kraken. You'll need to skillfully dodge its powerful tentacles, which are indicated by orange streaks appearing on the ground before they strike. After a few attacks, the tentacles will temporarily get stuck, creating an opening for you to slap them and inflict damage. Remember, the Kraken's attacks will become noticeably faster once its health drops to about half. After a tough fight, successfully defeating the Kraken boss will reward you with the highly sought-after Kraken gloves. You'll also earn the prestigious Escape the Abyss badge, marking your mastery. This glove offers increased knockback and range, making it a powerful addition to your arsenal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to enhance your gaming setup and everyday life. Good luck dominating the arena with your new gloves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.